ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kidikhat jaga Khasi Students Union Moplang Unit hakalai poetri kunaitung arajar posau Kelet Jurep yake JNV School Moplang dalam kemat du Presiden Usamla Banting Shan Lingdo Monai baru General Secretary Usamla Banding Scam Karbani hadinga jingdo jungwe khanna ubo puli hakadiga school pratep kerteng kubuna Nathaniel Soton ngajing syabat haka boarding electric yaki video blaring hi dagi dikot ka KSU batlapha syakabati CTV kesengla pentep bagi jinglik toket kalau menyo jing pencah lo kani ka jingja kakumkerwa kesengla pentep bashibna shwabanja kani ka jingja bas ngosi ki kena school kala pentep show house master halo ka jing thot jong ka boarding hapo ka B1 hostel namar bahaga por slab ka judan ka jing par ka boarding hapo ka hostel bana kalyang jong house master uliat ho bola dat ban pentep ru yakani syaka principal Kat bana kalyang jaga principal kelapen pau bakam shimla yo AA deka jing tho halo ka jing ujor bat ongru bagari ka kamram jong house master ban pentip show electrician ban maramat deka jing tho jong boarding shushu ka sengle tho bahabala pan neki report ka principal kla chu pentip be ki register ba deki report la de ban shimti deki pulen
every boy is coming from here, me also am going from here. How I can know the things will come here? All safe. The thing is, if you not give the terrace key to this, the boy what they used to do, they used to climb it from that ledge, okay? And then they will come here. Where? They used to climb from there, right? Yes. Then they will come here. So it is not safe for the students. So they requested me, I thought, okay, if something goes wrong, then it will be a problem for me also. So I thought, okay, I'll open it. See, there is a boundary. And they can do the things. It is all safe.
Even they switch on once they put the light,
Electrical also they should have. So in the night time, who will come and check it out? Who is doing it?
how many percent
No, I am not saying that my responsibility is not there, but how long I can do my responsibility? Because if somebody is doing in the night time, how I can see?
I was experienced.
Yes.
Menen kas ngi Sunday ba ngi yok jik tep way u kena puli trong next school u sha bat electric hapo kapor ba udang krep ban sum lai reng jong yung kaseng ni la wan ban inspect matai kanai ka GNP khamtam me kate hostel ba khamtam me kate kasai ba unu samla u sha bat ke boarding re pangila pe man lai kamra ngi i ba ki hostel bun hong tu ba ki kameraman ki kamera ya ki voyar lami sebar bat la ot bat la shoot up de ki black tape bahangi pet ya ki ni ki underground ni ki underground power cover ngi i ba la cover of iki de ki black tape bat habangi klip toket nu house master bade pet ngene haba hatu habangi ngi i ba ki dan ki khna ki balong ba ki la tho complain ki ai complain skini ki house master tu ushim eu nu shim ne em ka jing klip na kam ta ni kam re nagleng jung habangi la klip lo ong ba lo ai ka ju lo ai ka ang tip sa ka principal re haba matangi kendu ya ka principal ko ang ba u kham yo taka in black and white re ha lor ni ka benta ni klip ha ngi toket ba ngi dalai kum nu ka wanja ni underground ki pa ni ka principal ko ang ba kam dai arta ka responsibility jong ka bahkan pentip sikta ki electrician re ka dai jong house master ba pentip ya kani ki wayar ki don ki jing du ane tai ki damage ni ki jing ta bra ki jing ta ki black tape ki dai ban pentip hi u house master si electrician halor ta matai nagleng jong i kasang ngim so shy ngim so thum so hun hatu ka dai ka duty jong u house master ni ka duty jong ka principal ya ta ngim tip dai ni la syuk pa ni tai ka principal ba nanis khamat ba ka dai ban check ban pej ba kini wayar ban ngila kpat ru ba ya ka ne ka principal ba la kum no ka show ban kan reopening bin ka school ka dai ban ai ka safe passage kami kini ki wayar ki bangi ngila yo ban ring la pej ba ki bulong kita ki jing ma sha ye ki kena ki samla pulih wan pulih ne bagdai ke ban penbiang swai kene ban nagleng jong kene ke principal kalau kubur re kata ba halor ge dai ni benta kala pha ka sanction ye kene ka kampung pro koi kamtam ini ke building ki hostel ki kamera kelas paro ban pha sanction ba ban le thamai di we ban anda ka layo yakta ka sanction ba kan repair ba ye kene anda ka layo yakta ka repair kan dalayo yakta ka certificate na kene ka nak ni katanat ba depet ni ke boarding ba salah man reopening biang ni ke school nak leng jungi ru ni la ban bet jakta da kamla ban le kata ngim sya ya ka ni ke school bakan reopen biang bakan pulong school mar ka bu ke jing ma tam iki kena puli buan ni ba sakat nungut ki mensim jang samla puli kindu ha bagi wan ni ngas ngau bagi wan ban sandur ka jingmut jing perkat wan sandur ilde ban hagi ya ka puli ke putih rai ka long pan ban kum ba ki wan ni ki wan ban wan bu mik pau long wan bu hapo ka jing ma ka jing masau hapo ka serniu ka jing yap ngas ngau nu ban ong ba ka long ka wan bu ni ka neru tang ka pen seir mesti kena rai ka wat ka pen seir mesti ru wat ya ki mik pa bat kim so long chane kim so long chane shu ban bu ni rad wa ya ka hang ni hapo hostel lada kani ke department lada kani school hi kam simla ban sim khai kini ki bro andre lo tangi nak lang ke siu nggak banjur lo kata bay day kan ni ke pendapat kan lang kan principal ru kalau kubur ba kalau kungu ba on penbiang no mardor kini ki lai bor kha ki wiring mat hadu on badal adap kini ban penbiang ni bat ser yo man pelong school biang kini